Okay, this is where 250 and 219 split up. We're turning right to head for Oakland. In fact, all the roads split up here as a matter of fact. We'll show you some neat things along this road too. Interesting situation here. We'll get the road and the railroad up in the embankment right up there. In fact, you can probably tell it's there. That's the Elkins main line of the Western Maryland coming out of Cumberland. But not after going through Kitzmiller, Garrett County, Maryland first. I had to throw that in. We're now north of Elkins. The track goes off in its own way. Okay, we're stopped on a curve here on Route 219, down by a railroad cut, the Western Maryland Railway. Just thought you'd like to see a graphic example of flood damage here. Look at this railroad trestle. The water just washed that right out. Okay, one more scenery on the Western Maryland Railway. Now we're in Thomas, West Virginia. In fact, here's part of the town. I don't see anything that looks like a train station in this town, but the railroad at one time had a firm hold here. Another part of the track there. Very interesting view up here, this curve. Railroad and the river there. I can't remember exactly what river that is, but if I remember, I'll let you know. I know that's still the Western Maryland Railway, though. We're coming to a railroad up here. That could mean we're ready to come towards Maryland. Well, let's have a look. Look for trains. I like to look down there for them. Western Maryland Railway. Western Maryland Railway main line. Now, someplace soon has to be our river crossing. And of course, the state line. And I think that's down here. I thought it was down here. In that case, that back there wasn't the main line. The track on the left is. Now we're in Bayard, West Virginia. Now I know we're going to get ready to cross into Maryland.